So this is my new computer, finally put together. I built an open air case for it out of 2 mining rigs. You can see I also adapted 2 AMD coolers to the top of the 2X Opteron air coolers. They're just 2-unit case units. You can see them under there sort of. I've got good air coming in the top. I've got a flash drive plug in there. I've got a face mounted on it so I can kick it. And, yeah. And I need to finish up the sides. I've got 3 drives installed there. And that was my wife telling me my coffee's ready, which is great because I love coffee. I need coffee. Coffee is my friend. Those are dual Opteron 12-core processors. So 24 cores total. That's an MSI GT710, which will run 3 monitors, and that's all I need. It's a brand new power supply that I picked up on Macari. Person ordered it, didn't want it. 500 watt, completely modular, so I have lots of expansion slots on the side. Those are 2 sets of 3 by 8 PC3 1333 memory. So after the system takes what it wants, which turned out to be 8 gigabytes, I have 40 for the operating system. I'm going to spend today putting it together. This piece on top, this rock jam thing, is a little kit that I bought at the Salvation Army for $2, which had that piece and the bottom piece down there that I cut to length to reinforce the case. All of this is put together with little hex head screws that came with the mining rig case. It's actually quite nice. With these 2 coolers that I adapted to the top of the 2CU on each side, they're exactly matched coolers. I got those for $10 on Macari. I really put this together on a budget. The board is a, let me look this up real quick before I screw up. It's a Super Micro server. This one I got at the top. H8DGU-F. Dual G34 sockets. And those take the Opteron 6000 series, the wide ones. I've got a set of those left, as a matter of fact. I bought 4 of them at the time because I was considering a 4 G34 board. But that would be like complete overkill. That would be 48 cores or up to 64 cores. This is, I can get 16 cores to put in there and swap out, but at 12 cores, that's 24 cores. And it's running PC3 memory, so I got dual channels at 20 gigabytes each. If I burn that up making a model, well, something's wrong. Anyway, that's what I've been doing the last few days. I finally got it together, and I'm about to hook it up and start putting all my software in there. I already reinstalled Windows and reconnected it to my Microsoft account, so for the most part it's ready to go. That's it. Take it easy.